Welcome to the Tracksha's Dealer Web Platform. This Tracksha tutorial will guide you step by step in 5 simple steps. Learn how to securely log in to your dealer account. How to add company under your dealer panel. See how to add new GPS device for tracking. Learn how to access detailed reports and use smart features. And how to replay vehicle journeys and review trip history. Now that we've completed this section, let's log into the dealer account and continue further. First, open the Tracksha web app and log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, we'll move to the Add Company section to create a new company profile. Click on the Users or Settings section. From here, select Company. Once inside the Company section, click on the Add Or button. In this section, we learn how to add a new company inside the Tracksha platform. If the company have logo, then select Logo from here. First, enter the company name in the name field. Next, provide a unique username, mobile number or email address that will be used for login access. Set a secure password for the account. You can click the eye icon to preview the password before saving. Enter the contact phone number and complete address details for the company. Country and state are preset by default. Simply enter the city name. Time zone and format settings are pre-configured but can be adjusted if required. If applicable, enter the GST number for billing or compliance purposes. The tracking link expiry option allows you to define how long shared tracking links will remain active. You can disable the account if you want to block login access temporarily. Once all the required details are filled, click the Save button to create the company account. Now that the company is created, let's move ahead and add a new device. To add a new device, first go to the left sidebar menu. Click on Settings. Then select Devices. This will open the Devices Management page. Click Add Device to create a new device. First, select the company to which this device belongs. Enter the device name. Then add the vehicle number plate. Then, enter the device identifier or IMEI number. Provide the SIM number associated with the device. If required, enter a secondary SIM number. Then, select the device model from the drop-down list. Once the model is selected, the system automatically displays the server IP address and port number required for device configuration. Then, choose the device type, such as car or bike, and many more. After that, select the appropriate tracking package. Odometer, fuel capacity, and mileage are optional fields and can be added based on your requirements. Choose the validity period for the device subscription. Then, assign the device to a device group if you have any. Set the distance tolerance value if required. Now let's understand the ignition wired option. In Tracksha, we currently support 2 types of devices: magnetic devices and wired devices. The ignition wired option should be enabled only if the device is fully connected to the vehicle's ignition line. For magnetic devices or power-only wired devices, keep this option unchecked. Now let's talk about the immobilized feature. The immobilize feature works only with fully wired devices that support engine power cut. When enabled, it allows you to remotely stop the vehicle's engine for security purposes. In the Set Alerts section, you can configure notifications for overspeed, ignition, and idle activity. Simply select the required alert type to receive real-time updates for that device. You can edit these alerts anytime from Settings under the Alerts section. Once all the required information is entered, click Save to successfully add the device. That's how you can quickly add and configure a new tracking device in Tracksha. Now that the device setup is complete, let's move on to reports, system features, and the playback function. To view travel activity, go to the Activity section from the left panel. Then click on Travel. First, select the vehicle from the drop-down list. Then choose the required date range. Click on Show to generate the travel report. The top section shows a summary including distance, running, stop and idle time, along with average and maximum speed. It also displays start and end odometer readings. You can export the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. Now, from the Activity panel, click on Trip to open the Trip Report section. First, select the vehicle and choose the required date range. Then click Show to generate the trip report. The summary displays total trips, distance, time breakdown, speed, and ignition details. Expand to view individual trips. You can export the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. Similarly, from the Activity section, you can access stoppage, idle, and other reports. Each report gives you detailed insights based on your selected date range and vehicle. Now, let's move to the playback feature. Now, from the sidebar, click on Tracking to open the live tracking page. Then select the device. Once selected, the Device Details panel opens on the right side. Here you can see activity summary, including running time, stop duration, idle time, and total distance covered. You can also view live status, speed information, ignition status, battery voltage, alerts, and work hour details. To analyze the complete route history, click on the playback button which is in the top middle to enter route playback mode. Select the required date range such as today, yesterday, last 7 days, or custom. Then click Apply to load the route data. The system displays the complete route on the map with movement markers, stops, idle points, and alerts. Use the play button to start replaying the vehicle movement. You can pause, adjust speed, and monitor running, stop, and idle activity on the right panel. So, with this playback feature, it can help you review complete trip history with detailed movement and activity insights. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Tracksha support team.